Phnom Penh is the beating heart of Cambodia. It's the country's political center, its economic engine, and the keeper of its cultural flame. This is where Cambodia's story is written, chapter by thrilling chapter. The city hums with a frenetic energy. Motorbikes weave through traffic, their horns a constant symphony of urban chaos. Street vendors hawk their wares, their voices a melodic counterpoint to the city's soundtrack. The air is thick with the scent of spices, incense, and diesel fumes. You can feel the weight of history here. It's in the grand colonial buildings, now slowly crumbling. It's in the bullet holes that still scar some facades, a stark reminder of a troubled past. And it's in the resilience of the Cambodian people, their smiles as bright as the tropical flowers that adorn their city. Phnom Penh is a city that grabs you by the collar and demands to be experienced. It's not always pretty, but it's always real, and that's what makes it so damn compelling. Cambodia at its most majestic. To truly experience Phnom Penh, you have to lose yourself in its streets. This is where the city's true character reveals itself, in a riot of sights, sounds, and smells. Dive into the labyrinthine alleys of the central market, a sensory overload of colors, scents, and sounds. Bargain for souvenirs, sample exotic fruits you can't even pronounce, and watch as locals go about their daily lives. As dusk descends, head to the riverfront, the air cools, and the city comes alive with a different kind of energy. Families stroll along the promenade, street performers entertain the crowds, and the aroma of grilled meats fills the air. Find a plastic stool at a street food stall and order whatever the locals are having. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. This is Phnom Penh at its most authentic, a city that never sleeps and never fails to surprise. Phnom Penh's history is a tapestry woven with threads of both triumph and tragedy. To understand the city today, you need to look back at its past. The Khmer Rouge's brutal reign of terror in the 1970s left an indelible mark on Cambodia. The Tulslang Genocide Museum, a former school converted into a torture prison, stands as a chilling reminder of the atrocities committed during that dark chapter. But even in the face of unimaginable suffering, the Cambodian spirit endured. Today, Phnom Penh is a city rising from the ashes, embracing progress while honoring its past. Skyscrapers rise alongside ancient temples, a testament to the city's resilience and its unwavering hope for the future. They say that to understand a culture, you have to taste its food. And in Phnom Penh, the food is an explosion of flavors that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you wanting more. From the fragrant curries to the fresh spring rolls, every dish tells a story. A story of a culture that values fresh ingredients, bold flavors, and a touch of heat. Be sure to try the fish amok, Cambodia's signature dish. Steamed in banana leaves with coconut milk and lemongrass, it's a symphony of flavors that will transport you straight to culinary heaven. And don't forget to try the local beer, Angkor. It's the perfect way to quench your thirst after a day of exploring this vibrant city. So come hungry, come curious, and get ready to experience the true taste of Cambodia.